So we can see some problems in Y parameter. The following measurements were obtained from a two-port network. With port 2 short circuited, a voltage of 15 volt is applied to port 1. Results in I1 equal to 2 ampere and I2 equal to minus 1 ampere. With port 1 short circuited, a voltage of 12 volt is applied to port 2. Results in I1 equal to minus 3 ampere and I2 equal to 1.5 ampere. Find the Y parameters of the network. Okay. So here, first of all, they had asked to find Y parameters. What are the Y parameters? Y11, Y21, Y12, Y22. Okay, so first write the equation. First, what is the first step? We want to make output port short circuited. Y parameter la output port short circuited. Z parameter la output and input port are open circuited. Okay, so here when you make output port a short circuited, Y11 is I1 by V1, V2 equal to 0. Okay, so what is the value of I1? 2 ampere. Okay, and what is value of V1? That is a voltage of 15 volt is applied to port 1. So V1 is 15 volt. Okay, 15 volt, and I1 equal to 2 ampere and I2 is equal to minus 1 ampere. Okay, minus 1 ampere. Next, with the port 1 short circuited, okay, voltage of 12 volt. Okay, voltage enna irukku namakku port 1 short circuited, then voltage of 12 volt is applied to port 2, that is V2 12 volt, and results I1 is equal to minus 3 ampere and I2 is equal to 1.5 ampere. So when V2 equal to 0, what is the value of I1? 2 ampere. What is the value of V1? 15 volts. So answer is 0.133 mho. Y21 is I2 by V1. What is I2? Minus 1. What is V1? 15 volt. Okay, so you got minus 0.067 mho. Next, Y12, that is I1 by V2. Okay, I1 by V2, that is when V1 is 0. V1 0 na idu paakkanum. Okay, what is I1? Minus 3. V2 is 12. So minus 3 by 12. Next, Y22 is I2 by V2. V1 is 0. So here what is the value of I2? 1.5. V2 is 12. So the answer is minus 0.125 mho. Okay. So next, for two-port network, the equations are I1 is 0.5 volt minus 0.2 volt and I2 is minus 0.2 volt plus V2. So you know the Y parameter equation. Write the equation. From this you want to write Y11, Y12, Y21 and Y22. So Y11 is 0.5 mho, Y12 is minus 0.2 mho, and same thing Y21 is 0.2 minus 0.2 mho, Y22 is 1 mho. Okay. So draw the pi network. So write all the Y parameters from this equation. So also they are asked to find the Y parameters to find equivalent pi network draw pannu. So in order to find equivalent pi network, what is the formula for Y1? Y11 plus Y12. Okay. So Y11 is 0.5 minus 0.2. What is Y2? Y2 is minus 1 to minus 2, 1. Okay. Y3 is Y21 plus Y22. Okay. So write all the values. Next problem, obtain the admittance parameters of the network shown in figure. Okay, so here it has inductance, capacitance, that is AC network values. So appdi irundha first Laplace transform la convert pannirum. Okay, so Laplace transform for this constant, that is the resistance value appdiye potukonga. Inductance means 5 into S, capacitance irundha 5 by S eludum. Okay, so what is the first step? Output port is short circuited. So output port short circuit பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? இது short circuit பண்ணோம்னா இதுக்கு acrossல இருக்க elementல current flow ஆகாது. Then this element is also 0. So current வந்து எந்த path choose பண்ண? Short circuited path தான் choose பண்ண. So this element, the current flowing across this element is 0. So இதை remove பண்ணி விட்டுறலாம். So remaining value is this one, that is 5 ohm. So first of all you want to find Y11. What is Y11? I1 by V1. So V1, what is V? V is equal to I into R. That is I1 into 5. Okay. So from this you can find V1 by I1. How you can find? That is I1 by V1 is 1 by 5 ohm. Okay, more. And 0.2 ohm. Next, I2 is equal to, what is the I2? Output current is equal to minus I1. Both are opposite in direction. So I2 is equal to minus I1. So in the place of I1, substitute minus I2. So minus I2 into 5. So Y21 equal to I2 by V1. I2 is minus I1. So the this value is I2 by V1. So minus 1 by 5. Take this from this value in the equation and the I2 by V1 and the minus 1 by 5. That is minus 0.2 mho. Okay, next input port is short circuited. Input port short circuited. நம்ம என்ன find பண்ணணும்? Y22 is I2 by V2. Okay, I2 by V2. I2 by V2 find பண்ணுறதுக்கு நமக்கு V2 value வேணும். அப்படிதானே? So V1 0. V2. What is V2? V2 voltage across this resistor. அப்படிதானே? That is இதில் flow ஆகிற current என்னது? I2 into total resistance value. So V2 is I2 into the total resistance value. Total resistance value these two are parallel. Okay, so that is 5 into 5 plus 5s divided by 5 plus 5 plus 5s. The answer is 5 into s plus 1 divided by s plus 2. Okay, so you know the Z equivalent value, substitute this value. So from this Y22 is I2 by V2 value when I2 by V2 is s plus 2 divided by 5 into s plus 1. Okay, next you want to find, so this is Y22, this is Y22. Next you want to find Y12 and Y21. What is the formula? I1 by V2 and Y1 by V2. Okay, so இதில் ஏதாவது ஒன்று find பண்ணாலும் same answer தான் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். அப்படிதானே? So in order to find the I1 by V2, what do you do? So apply the current division rule. Okay, I1 is equal to, what is the value? Minus I2, opposite direction. அப்படிதானே? Minus I2 total current into the value 5 plus 5s divided by 10 plus 5s value. So I1 equal to minus I2 into s plus 2. Okay, so I1 by V2 value. So I1 value இந்த இருக்கு, V2 value இந்த இருக்கு. Okay, so substitute these two values. I2 get cancel. Okay, s plus 2 get cancel. S plus 1 get cancel. You got 1 by 5 is equal to minus 0.2 mho.